We are at 2528 Goldenrod, Wakanda. We are using the rufous snake recommended. We'll be performing our second attempted repair since the first one failed. We will be trying to take out this shingle, and in order to remove this shingle, we have to remove the ones on top. I will now start. There's one right there. As you can see, all the granulates are falling off and the shingles are cracking. As I'm going really gentle, it still gets damaged. Every time. Another one. Another one. As you guys can see, this attempted repair has failed as well. Look, it just cracks. You know what? I'm not doing no more. Second attempted repair has failed. It will no longer continue. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on just 2 shingles. The second attempted repair has failed.